Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove an unauthorized login on TikTok to keep your account safe and secure. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your smartphone like you normally do and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will bring up your profile section from where you'll need to tap on the three horizontal line menu at the top right corner. In the pop-up at the bottom, select Settings and Privacy. After you open up Settings and Privacy, tap on Security and Permission. Inside Security and Permission, click on Your Devices. Now, this will take you to the Manage Devices section. Here, you can review the list of devices currently logged into your account. To remove any unauthorized device, tap on the trash can right next to the device and click on Remove. Repeat this step for every other unauthorized login, and this will remove any suspicious device that has been logged in with your TikTok account. And there you have it. After you've removed those suspicious devices, you can now go ahead and change your password for your TikTok account to prevent future unauthorized access. And that's it. You have successfully removed unauthorized login and secured your TikTok account. Make sure that you always keep your password strong and consider enabling two-factor authentication to stay protected. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.